Hello, Mama, sir. I am Erlyn Asis. I live in Santa Cruz, St. Bernard, Southern Leyte, Philippines. I am single with three children, ages 14, 13, and 12 years old. I have five brothers and four sisters. I am high school graduate. I worked before in Kuwait for 8 years in one family, from January 2016 up to January 2024. I serve 7 members of the family, ages 16, 15, 13, 12, 10, and 2 adults, ages 43 and 45 years old. I do household chores like cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, washing dishes, gardening, marketing, and taking care of the children. I am trustworthy, hard worker, and fast learner. If you choose me, I promise to finish my contract and serve you as my own family. Have a good day, Mom and Sir. Thank you.